Savage!
You know what's going on?
No.
Savage Rally.
Savage Rally?
Yes, you can join us on the rally. We're gonna go down from Detroit all the way down to Tail of the Dragon.
Tail of the Dragon?
Yeah.
All those turns?
You wanna go?
Yeah, absolutely. How do I do it?
You go, it's the 27th through the 30th of September. We're gonna have a blast. You go to the link in the description, you click on it, and you pay us, and you get to go and bring your car and have fun and have stupidity with us.
I can go on Tail of the Dragon with all Savage's cars.
Absolutely.
Hit the link?
Hit the link, join us.
Join us?
Yes, exactly. You'll even see our new McLaren. Look at this thing, 720S Spider. Join us now. Morning, everybody. Welcome to Savage Garage. We're here at Raptor Takeover at Rausch Creek Park. This is Collins. Collins, the director of the event. We're gonna have a great time today. There's 62 Raptors here today, buddy? 62 Raptors, and we're gonna tear this place apart. We're probably gonna tear apart our trucks too, no doubt. We've already had, I think, 3 flats and 1 engine stall and 1 lost brakes, courtesy of me. Actually, I lost my brakes. It is a 4-mile closed loop?
4.9-ish mile loop, closed down, roped off and everything else. It's a heck of a good time.
Yeah, absolutely. So this is the 2nd year for the event now? Second year. So they're killing it, man. 61 trucks. That's a great gathering for this event. So we'll watch and see what happens. So.
We're rolling, buddy.
We're rolling already? But no, I'm not ready yet.
Yeah, I got it.
Look at that. All the colors of the trucks. We got mud, 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 slightly muddy with a little blue. I noticed the Chevy Colorado is perfectly black.
Yeah.
You know, listen, you know I'm savage, but I'm not crazy. This is savage. Troy is the man. All right.
If you ain't coming out here to have fun, you shouldn't be coming out here.
Exactly.
And if you can't take a couple jabs,
he acts like a
fun,
badass, but he's a total pussy.
I am.
Seriously.
I'm the biggest vagina you've
Yes,
ever met
exactly,
in your life.
exactly. So I want to shove some dollar bills in there later, so we'll see what happens. That's right. Oh no, it's oh, that's
That light.
now I can see.
I can see now.
So this is Troy Bailey. He has his own company. What's the name of your company?
Valhalla Motorsports.
Valhalla Motorsports, man. You got to go check him out. Instagram?
Instagram, Valhalla Motorsports. Facebook, ValhallaMotorsportsLLC.com.
Nice.
Look it up. Big blue truck.
So they're a big SVC reseller user. So Troy's got his truck out here, which is a beast. So Troy, tell me what you got on here from SVC.
So we've got. Let me turn this down real quick. So we've got the older podium package. Of course, everybody knows that you guys have the new podium package now with the fabricated knuckle, way stronger. But I've taken this thing out west, Utah, Vegas, Barstow, and I have put it through its paces. And this thing I've beat the crap out of it, and it has never broke. I've never.
See, for all you guys that beat on us and say we never take our trucks West Coast, SVC's in the West Coast. That truck's lived out west. The truck gets used. But we're here on the East Coast, so we take what we get, Rausch Creek, so we get rocks, mud,
Let me tell
cow
you.
pies. It's all good stuff.
Yeah, you think that the West Coast is hard. Come right on this track today. This track is brutal.
When we take our cars home, they smell like they just left for months. Months. I still have stuff from Joe's place.
Oh, that's funny.
Did you get that?
Yeah, do the other side too.
Do
Just
it slow-mo. Do it. Here.
that is good. So believe it or not, these are SVC products.
You ready?
Yeah, go for it. Yeah,
Bang it. That was awesome.
that is funny.
All right, so we're about to head out on the course. Hope it's dried up a little bit more. Should be good. We'll see what happens. I don't have anything else to say.
That's okay.
happened? My engine's overheating.
Oh, geez.
That's why I need an LF swap.
I'll find out what's going on and go back out.
Smell it.
Nope, she did.
Yeah, that'll do it.
That'll do, pig. That'll do.
Raffle, last call for raffle. We're stuck in line.
I must have tore something.
That's what I'm thinking. You probably blew a hose fitting or something.
So Randy just let me off on the side of the off-road place to film, you know, just get some B-roll shots. And his car was overheating a little bit. Now I think it's overheating a lot because he's not only out of the car, but I saw a giant puff of white smoke come out of it. So I don't think, I don't know how much longer this thing is gonna be off-roading today. I hope more, but this doesn't look good.
What did you do?
We overheated.
Oh, I knew that. That's a new one. Hey Randy, give me a good thumbnail pose.
I done broke my truck again. Now, it overheated. We think we got a lot of mud clogged up in the radiator, so we're gonna go ahead and clean it out and get it going so it can breathe again. But we were hauling the nail.
Yeah, that AC is getting warm because the condenser's not really pulling any heat out yet. So what's the deal with this?
So how goes it, Randy?
It goes
That's
well.
the old transcooler.
Does very well.
Or power steering.
So in traditional Savage style, we broke it. We have a busted cooling fan right now, but we're getting it fixed right now. We got chili up on the deck of the engine there.
I thought I was being clever.
Yep. Hey, Chili, give us a smile.
Hey, how's it going?
There you go. So, Chili, you'll just know as the chili face bouncing up and down with the beard. So, we keep him anonymous because we don't want anyone to steal him. That's truthful. And right now, he's fixing the cooling fans. We should be back up and running here. We'll be about 15-20 minutes if I had to guess, knowing them. So, cheers.
Even though things are broken, Randy knows how to deal with it correctly.
Want a slice? Calzone? Yeah, sure.
Where did you
Pretty
even
good.
get this, Randy?
Huh?
The middle of the field.
All right, start it up.
Y'all got air back there? All right. If you start getting nauseous or sick, let me know.
Still overheating.
Still?
Yeah, I don't know what's up.
Before you got the jump.
Yeah, I didn't even do the jump.
Sitting on one of the corners here, this is the corner that people will inevitably break shit, supposedly. It's, they've got this jump right here, and we've been waiting for Randy to come over this, and there's a nice little turn right here as well that people can kick it sideways. The only problem is Randy overheated, again. So we're sitting here, and thankfully I still have a little bit of Gatorade left, but could be worse though. Oh, did it just try to open it a million
Tried to
times?
open about a million times, so it's disabled.
So how much time do you have before?
47 minutes.
You're kidding.
46 minutes. Oh yeah, it probably did it like a dozen times. The last 2 laps were great. No problems at all, no overheating. Jump was a little hard because there's not enough room to land and stop and be safe. No one comes to Rausch without screwing up their vehicle. So Jimbo, it's your turn, buddy. Let's go see what the Merc does.
Oh, dude, this is gonna be better than every other car here. I mean, it has an open diff, but I'm sure that's not gonna be an issue.
Yeah, that'll be good. Hey, Collins, we're gonna go off-road the Mercedes now.
I'm full send. Let's
No,
do
we're
it.
doing it, full send.
Please.
You want to come? You can sit in the back.
Oh God.
Let me do it.
You break it, you buy it, homie.
Okay, not a problem. I got 20 bucks.
Yeah, baby! Yeah! Well, the dust is all going this way.
Can't see.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.